Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2016 Ford Edge. Stock number is A8016. Starting right away up front, you have front parking sensors. Those are going to keep you nice and safe. You have alloy wheels. Those are 20-inch alloy wheels, and they are wrapped with Pirelli Scorpion tires. Inside, a combination of leather and cloth interior makes for a very comfortable ride. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo and navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Edge on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more can be found at holidayautomotive.com.